One of the problems women have after a breakup is not realizing that the ex-boyfriend she is trying to get back does not think the way she does. He does not want to sit down and talk things over, but you do, and if you keep pushing him to talk, he may never want to speak to you again. Unless you start thinking like your man, you will never get him back. The best way to get him back is by ignoring him and using male psychology. If you do, he will come running. Men do not want to be chased. They feel it's their job to do the chasing. They also do not like being forced to do something. So, by chasing him and telling him you can't live without him, you are making him pull away. Your ex feels that you are trying to force him back in your arms, and he becomes stubborn. Use some male psychology and make him think you do not want him anymore. When a man feels rejected, especially by an ex-girlfriend, it will drive him wild. His pride is hurt and his ego will be bruised. He will instinctively want what he cannot have. And if you make him think he cannot have you, he will want you again. That is the way a man's mind works. To get it started going your way, you need to ignore him and pursue other interests. Show him you can have a life without him, and he will want to be part of your life again. Take some night classes to improve your job skills. Take up a hobby that has always interested you. This will not replace your ex-boyfriend in your heart, but they will help keep him off your mind. Your family can be a great help by showing you the love and support you need so badly at this crucial time. Go out with your friends and have some fun. Your ex-boyfriend will be aware of these activities and begin to feel you are shutting him out of your life. He will begin to feel rejected and as if you are the one dumping him. Male psychology will tell you that men cannot stand to be dumped or rejected. Soon your ex will feel the need to get rid himself of these feelings. The only way he can be free of them is to have you back in his arms. About this time you should disappear. You might have to take a trip or just hide out somewhere for a few days. By doing this you are making him see what it would be like if he lost you for good. When you do reappear, the man you love will come running to you and never want to be without you again. If you still love your ex, don't give up. You can check our special programs that will give you expert professional strategies on how to get your ex back in love with you and much more.